There's something you don't see every day. Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to TR3 Wrench Time and the Jetta giveaway series of videos. We are on our way to the rally point. We're going up to Union Bridge this morning to Jonto Cars annual drive-in car show. So mostly British cars we're going to see, but today I'm taking the Jetta for kind of its last little adventure under my watch. We have selected the winner of the contest who is going to buy this car for $1, and hopefully if we have good enough connectivity, we're going to be going live at Union Bridge this afternoon at 12:05 p.m. So if you're watching this, that's already happened, and we're going to announce the winner of the car. So here we go. All right, be careful of that thing. Oh yeah. Eddie is waiting for it. Eddie won, hands down.
Oh,
everyone.
Was there anybody who didn't?
So I think I've got it set up to do this live at Union Bridge. So.
Oh, very cool.
If we have cell phone connectivity to announce the winner.
I'm sure we will.
I don't know.
It's about 70 miles from Annapolis to Jonto Cars shop, and we definitely took the scenic route. This is kind of my last ride with the Volkswagen, and these guys are definitely on their way to the car show. And field repairs are sometimes necessary. Steve had a little bit of a noise going on.
Spark plug wire that's loose. You can hear it.
Oh yeah.
You grab that, will you? Is it oily?
No,
Just probably wasn't in tight.
doesn't feel tight. It feels
Oh.
lousy.
That's
No,
good.
feel it. Pull it out and plug it in. It feels terrible.
Well, that looks
Actually, I'm
looks
not
all
gonna-
right now.
Yeah, it doesn't want to come out easily,
Oh,
so I'm not gonna. Okay, it's gonna be fine.
What happened?
The spark plug wire came loose.
I know, but how did that happen?
Well,
I fully support this maneuver, but it was a little optimistic based
Yeah.
on the weather. The rain was not quite done with us
that'll
yet.
work, right?
This is what happens when you drive old cars.
A silent movie, they kiss in black and white and hold each other tight by the hand, by the moonlight. The villain stands alone, jealous to the bone.
Hi, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome to Union Bridge, Maryland. We pulled in exactly at 12:04 and had 1 minute to get out of the car and get the live stream going to do the announcement of the winner. So check out the live broadcast for that, and we'll have one more episode on when Eddie comes to pick it up. Coming to you live from Union Bridge, Maryland. Always wanted to say that too. And getting into the car show, obviously I'm going to be really focused on the Triumphs here. So this is a TR3, this is 62. The one that I'm building is a 61, but it's essentially the same car. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. I really hope that mine turns out somewhere even close to this. I will be happy. And the color of this one looks an awful lot like a 250 I'm following on YouTube. Cheers, chef. First rule of driving a classic car. And here's that TR4 we saw on the road near Annapolis on our way up here. Now this makes me really wish I would have brought the DeLorean. I think seeing these two cars parked next to each other would be fantastic. So many similarities. Same body designer, shares a lot of the same parts even. This one's for you, George. And it wouldn't be a car show without a Mopar crowd. Okay, I was sure that this was a Honda, but nope, it is a Triumph Acclaim, which apparently is based on the Honda Ballade. There's a pretty cool collection of toy cars in the trunk of this one. Unpopular opinion, but this may be my favorite entry in this car show. This is a Mr. 2 AW11. There aren't many of these left out there, so it's pretty cool to see one that's really in this good of shape. This one is definitely savable. First rule. Hey, look, another Mark II. And Patrick, this one's for you. And Patrick, this one's also for you. I'll be lingering on this one for a moment because these are just gorgeous. And I've seen quite a few of them under construction, under restoration, if you will, but I have never seen one at a show or out on the road. And John opened up his shop for us to tour, and you've seen that Herald before. You've actually seen it in a couple of our videos in the past, so check that out. And this apple green TR3. I didn't know this was an original color until we came up here for the first time. It's gorgeous. I would absolutely consider painting mine this color if I didn't want it to be stock, but I love this color. Here's another one we've seen before on the channel. Check out episode 10 of TR3 Wrench Time if you want to see this one earlier in its process. And look what we spot on the workbench. That's the differential from my TR3 project. All right, that's going to do it for this episode of TR3 Wrench Time up in Union Bridge, Maryland for the third time. And we'll be back to get the differential probably in a week or so. So, hey, stay tuned. TR3 is coming back. The chassis is going to be rolling here real shortly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.